if you don't clean your washing machine regularly and thoroughly? How clean can your laundry be? You carry millions of germs every day. They live in your washing machine and on your clothes. They are the cause of respiratory infections, skin diseases, and gynecological diseases. That is why a regular and thorough cleaning of your washing machine is necessary. Now you can leave all these hassles to WonderKlean. Introducing WonderKlean washing machine cleaning service. 1 brush, 3 washes, and 130-degree sterilization keeps your washing machine wonderfully clean. Our 2,000-strong service team is powered by Cuckoo Healthy Home, professionally trained and fully equipped to handle the cleaning process. We follow a comprehensive 20-step SOP that covers all 14 checkpoints so that you can live peacefully and stay healthy. Wait no more! Our washing machine cleaning service is available at 350 ringgit. Or you may subscribe via WonderKlean Flexi Good Plan from as low as 60 ringgit per month. Book your service session now to protect your loved ones.